Hello, this is Chris from Optimus FX taking a look at the MetaTrader 4 trading platform again. In this video, I'll be taking a look at indicators and the use of them in this trading package. MetaTrader 4 comes with a ton of indicators built into it, and adding them to the chart is very easy to do. At the top, you have several lists. You can simply go to Insert and then Indicators. You can see a handful of the more popular and most often used ones are at the top of the list, but it's also broken down into trend oscillator volumes. There are Bill Williams indicators and custom. So for example, if you want to add a moving average to the chart, you can see this pulls up a moving average parameter box. I have 50, a period of 50, and that of course is on the daily, so it's 50-day exponential moving average based upon the close in a red color. I've got a fairly thick line here. I click on that and you can see that it appears on the chart. I also can right click on the MA50 properties and I can change it directly from there. So if I want to make the line skinnier, for example, and I of course can right click and delete the indicator. You can see that again there are several different types. So if I decide to do Ichimoku, you can see that draws on the chart. The quickest way to get rid of an indicator quite often will actually be right-clicking on the chart itself, picking the indicators list, and then just simply deleting it. You can also add more than one indicator at a time. So I'll go back to the moving average and I'll add that. Keep in mind, not all indicators are on the charts. So for example, most oscillators are not. I go to the RSI. You can see there's all of the usual parameters that you can change the look of the relative strength index. Click OK, and it appears in a window at the bottom. The window is also able to be sized, as you can see. And you can also have multiple chart or multiple window indicators. Either way, doesn't really matter. So if I wanted to put Bollinger Bands, there they are on top of the moving average. And of course, I can go and look for another windowed indicator, in this case the MACD. And now you can see I can resize all of this. I have all four of these indicators on the chart, and you can just simply lay more and more on there. Again, the easiest way to get rid of all of this is going to be simply looking at the chart, doing right click, and then go to the indicators list. You just delete what you don't want on there. And you can see I've deleted the ones on the chart. And go back to the indicators list. Let's say I want to get rid of the RSI. I delete that, but I can also edit from here. So for example, if I want to change the color for whatever reason, and just change this over here and click OK. Once I close that, it'll change directly to what I had done. The indicators that come with the MetaTrader 4 package are pretty strong, but there are also going to be some variances. There are some you can buy and such, and therefore you can customize your trading experience quite drastically. You can also see that although it's not listed in indicators, we have other things like Fibonacci retracement. You just click here, drag, pull it up. You can see a nice Fibonacci retracement is drawn as well. When you go to the indicators list, you'll notice that the MACD is considered to be an indicator, but the Fibonacci is not. When you have that, you can go to the objects list, click on that, and delete, close. Even though a lot of people use the Fibonacci as an indicator, it's technically an object. As you can see, it's very easy to apply indicators to your chart regardless of which you choose to use. And again, you can add all of these various indicators to the chart and have them completely independent of each other. In other words, one chart has the Fibonacci retracement and the Bollinger Bands, while another chart has the moving average and so on. Gives you quite a bit of flexibility and the ability to employ several different trading systems at one point in time. As usual, thank you for watching our video.